Greetings everyone, welcome back to our channel. If your iPhone becomes stuck on the restore screen following a failed update, you will notice a computer icon and the message support.apple.com/iPhone/restore displayed on the screen. In this situation, what steps should you take? In today's video, I will guide you through the process of resolving an iPhone that is stuck on the restore or recovery screen. Method 1. Force restart your iPhone. This method, recommended by Apple, involves pressing and quickly releasing the volume up and volume down buttons, followed by pressing and holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. As you can see, my iPhone has returned to the restore screen. Don't be discouraged. Let's move on to the next method. Method 2. Use iTunes to fix the problem, which is a common method employed by many users. Make sure your phone stays connected to your computer throughout the process. Once you launch iTunes, a window will appear giving you the option to fix the issue by restoring or updating. Then select Update. You can click on the top right corner to check the download progress. However, this method may result in data loss or errors during the repair process. So, I highly recommend this method next. Method 3. One click to exit with ReiBoot. Just one click can help you solve this problem. That is Tenorshare ReiBoot, which can also fix more than 150 iOS system issues. Please check the download link in the description below to install it. Then connect your phone to the PC or Mac. After that, ReiBoot will recognize your iPhone, and after clicking Exit Recovery Mode, your screen will change, and it will become normal again soon. If you want to fix iPhone stuck on the recovery screen without losing any data more effectively, follow these steps. Open ReiBoot again. Click the green Start button and make sure your iPhone is connected to a PC or Mac. Select the standard repair option to keep your data, then download the appropriate firmware. Once downloaded, click Start to proceed to the final step. This process takes about 10 minutes to complete. Please be patient. Now the iPhone restarts and returns to normal. This concludes the tutorial on how to fix iPhone stuck on recovery screen. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos.